All right, time to take flight, drone of Arcadia.
Oh, Amber Tamblyn.
I love that show.
Al married to David Cross. Can I have a turn? I want a turn.
No. Hey, does Cleveland have a bald spot?
No.
Hey, what's this do?
Check it out. Here comes a hawk.
Uh-oh. What's happening? Ah! No! I don't think this is consensual!
Look at that pervert squirrel just watching.
Ah, crap, it's busted! And I bet it's completely traumatized.